of visiting my grandparents. I have friends
That's a good idea. I hope you have a great time with them.
Thank you, Martha. You too. I hope the weather is good for your birthday.
Yes, I hope so. Well, have a great weekend.
You too. Bye.